Okay, so you're going to be dealing with this paper here that I have that I just want you to fold in half. We're going to do some practice problems with this paper. I like the way this is set up because there are flow maps on both sides, and we're just going to go and be specific with this flow map today. All right, you can fold this, keep this in your notebook to go over problems later on. But here's your first problem once you write this out. Y equals 2x plus 3, and then 2x plus 3y equals 17. So understand that this is not what we did yesterday. This is what we did last week, okay? So don't get confused. What does y equal? This right here, and where are we going to put it? Where the y is. So if you know what to do, go for it. I'll just give you a little help here. You're going to take this and put that there. If I rewrite my equation, 2x plus 3 equals 17. Now, I have a space there. What am I going to put in that space? 2x plus 3. All right, go ahead and solve for x. Like terms. Okay. Then subtract 9. I know you're running out of space here. Try to write small. And then if you take 7 away from 9, that's going to be 8. 8x equals 8. X equals 1. And I've been trying to say this is the puzzle piece. So yesterday I was having fun in class and I was drawing puzzle pieces the best I could. This is the puzzle piece you need to solve the puzzle, okay? I know it's a terrible puzzle piece, but you know what I'm saying? This is the puzzle piece you need. This concept, you get it going into this area, but some of you maybe struggled yesterday going into the other type of problem. So this is the puzzle piece. You're going to take it, you're going to go ahead and plug it into this first equation. So if I wrote out the equation again, y equals 2x plus 3, where does the x go? Right here, right? So then that's 1. So y equals 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3? 5. Okay. So x is 1, y is 5. If you could write it like this for me, that would be even better. Okay. Cool. Let's do another one from yesterday. So this might be a little confusing. Try to write it a little smaller. I know I'm writing kind of big here, and some of you guys struggle writing small, trying to fit all this work into these boxes. All right, so looking at this problem here, our whole goal is to initially eliminate a variable. We're going to get rid of a variable. So which variable are we trying to get rid of? We're going to try to get rid of one of these. Doesn't matter if it's the x or the y, but how do you know you've gotten rid of it? Is when there's either a 0x or a 0y. So if you add down 0x, that's important. What's this y here? Isn't that 1y? So 2 plus 1 is going to be 3y, and then add down here. So all we did was add down. If you want to say subtract, I mean, you could get in the sense too, like this is adding. When you're adding here, 2 and negative 2 is going to be 0. 2 plus 1, 12 plus 0. So now you have this equation, 3y equals 12. Just solve for y. It's a one-step equation. Okay? Y equals 4. If that's the case and y equals 4, let's go ahead and let me have some more fun again. I need to get better at drawing these. All right, there's my puzzle piece. It looks a little wonky. All right, what am I going to do with this puzzle piece? I am going to take the first equation. My kiddos, Mr. Musik's kids really kind of had trouble with this yesterday. I hope you guys are doing okay with this. Take that first equation and write it again. All right, so now we have 2x plus 2y equals 12. Okay? Where is this 4 going to go? We're going to plug in the puzzle piece. To solve the puzzle, we got to plug in this last piece. We're detectives here. This is a clue. We're going to plug it in right here. Are we going to leave y? No, we're going to replace y. Y is no longer in the equation. We're going to replace it with 4. Okay, hopefully that makes sense to you. It's a concept and you just kind of have to like, eventually that light bulb goes off. You're like, oh, okay, I'm just replacing it. I'm plugging it in, right? I'm just plugging in what y is. 2x plus 2 times 4 is 8 equals 12. Then just solve the simple equation, which I know you guys are all capable of doing. X equals 2. All right, let's do one more. Let's see how you guys can do on your own, okay? Three x plus 2y equals 10. Negative 3x plus 3y equals 0. All right, same concept. Let's go ahead and add down. Add down and see if we can eliminate any variables. All right, if you add down, there we go. We just eliminated a variable. 3 and negative 3 gets eliminated. All right, and 3 plus 2, 5y equals 10. Let's go ahead and solve for the 5, or solve for the y, excuse me. Y equals 2. All right, y equals 2. I don't need to do this every time, do I? All right. Now, there's my piece. What do? Do I take the first equation? And if you needed to look at this old stuff too, and while you're doing your assignment today, keep this out. If this needs to be there to help you, let's go. Keep it out. Do whatever you need to keep your mind in the right frame. All right. I want your brain in the right spot. 3x plus 2y equals 10. Okay. Now what are we doing? Y equals 2. We're plugging it in. We're replacing the y. We're replacing the y. So the 2 goes there. 3x plus 2 times 2 is 4 equals 10. Subtract 4. 3x equals 6. Divide 3. X equals 2. Okay. Hopefully this was helpful. Now, when you're going to move on to, you're going to be doing a rally coach. I want you guys to know that this is going to be worth 40 points. So you're going to take your paper when you get it. You're going to fold it in half. You're going to get as many as you can done. You're going to fold it in half. A does a problem. When A does this problem, B, you better be watching what A is doing. Because if A slips up, I want you to come in and help. All right? I want you to kind of be the lifeline to coach A up. And the same thing when B does a problem. A, I want you there to help B. All right? We're all about teamwork right now. With the way things are going right now, I know you don't have Miss Santos there. That's tough. You got to work together. Okay? I'll see you guys later.